Welcome, seekers of tranquility and wisdom. We embark on a journey to the heart of Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that offers a path to a serene and focused life. Before we go any further, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content on Stoicism. By subscribing, you'll be joining a community of intellectuals seeking wisdom and inner peace through ancient philosophies. Now, let's continue. Born in the bustling markets of Athens and nurtured in the halls of Roman power, Stoicism is a philosophy that stands the test of time. It's a beacon of tranquility in the storm of life, a guide to living with virtue and integrity. It's a philosophy that was embraced by emperors and slaves alike, a testament to its universal appeal. The likes of Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor, and Epictetus, a former slave, found solace and strength in its teachings. Stoicism, you see, transcends social and economic boundaries. It provides a framework for life that is accessible to all, irrespective of their station in life. At its core, Stoicism teaches us the four cardinal virtues of wisdom, temperance, justice, and courage. Wisdom, to understand the world around us and our place in it. Temperance, to exercise self-restraint and moderation. Justice, to treat others with fairness and kindness. And courage, to face adversity with unwavering resolve. But Stoicism isn't just a philosophical theory, it's a practical guide to life. It equips us with the tools to navigate the turbulent seas of life with grace and dignity. It teaches us to focus on what we can control and to accept what we cannot. It encourages us to seek happiness not in external possessions or accolades, but ourselves, in our actions and our character. But how does one live like a Stoic? What does it mean to walk this path of serenity and wisdom? One way is by steering clear of certain topics of conversation that often lead to discord and distress. Topics that distract us from our quest for virtue and inner peace. Let's delve deeper, shall we, and explore the forbidden territories of discourse that a true Stoic avoids. In our quest for Stoic wisdom, we first encounter 5 topics best left unspoken. First up is politics, an arena that often sparks division and discord. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, and the world of politics, with its shifting alliances and unpredictable outcomes, is largely beyond our influence. It's best to leave this topic on the sidelines and concentrate on tending our own garden. Next, we have religion, a deeply personal and sacred journey. Debates about faith can lead to heated disagreements and sow discord. Remember, Stoicism encourages us to seek internal validation, not external. The third topic is the personal wealth of others. Discussing this can lead to unhealthy comparisons and jealousy, both of which are detrimental to our pursuit of peace and contentment. Stoicism reminds us that true wealth lies within, in our virtues and wisdom. The fourth topic to avoid is gossip. Engaging in this encourages negative discourse and can harm our character. Stoicism values integrity and virtue above all else. To gossip about others is to betray these principles. Finally, we have celebrities' lives. Focusing on the lives of others, especially those we don't personally know, distracts us from our own growth and development. Stoicism teaches us to be the leading character in our own life story, not a spectator in someone else's. Each of these topics represents an area where discourse is unlikely to be productive or improve our virtue or happiness, according to Stoic philosophy. Instead, they often lead to unnecessary conflict, anxiety, and distraction from our path to self-improvement and inner peace. Halfway through, we take a pause for a dose of Stoic wisdom. The words of Marcus Aurelius echo through the ages, reminding us of the virtues of Stoicism. He once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This tenet of Stoicism encourages us to focus on what we can control, our thoughts and actions, rather than the external world that often lies beyond our reach. Aurelius also advised, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be one." This underscores the Stoic emphasis on action and personal virtue over idle debate and speculation. His wisdom continues with the quote, "The best revenge is not to be like your enemy." It's a call to maintain our values and integrity, even when faced with adversity or conflict. Armed with these words of wisdom, we venture back into the realm of forbidden topics. These timeless principles guide us, reminding us of the serenity and strength found in the Stoic way of life. We return to our journey, uncovering the remaining topics that a Stoic avoids. Next, we encounter the tumultuous world of social media controversies. These are transient storms, often brimming with negativity and conflict. They distract us from our personal development and inner peace. A Stoic, in contrast, seeks tranquility and wisdom, not the ephemeral squalls of digital debate. Then we come across material possessions as status symbols, the allure of shiny objects, the thrill of the new, the validation from external approval. These are but fleeting joys. Stoicism teaches us that true worth lies within, not in the impermanent objects we accumulate. Journeying further, we stumble upon past regrets. The Stoics believed that we should focus on the present, on what we can act upon now. To dwell in the past is to live in a world that no longer exists. Almost at the end of our journey, we find future worries. These are fears of events that are not within our control. A Stoic understands that worrying about the future breeds anxiety and robs the present of its joy. Finally, we arrive at criticism of others' choices. These are outside our realm of control and do not contribute to our self-improvement. Stoicism teaches us to focus on our own actions and choices and to strive for virtue and wisdom in our own lives. Now, having navigated the forbidden territories, we take another pause for a final dose of Stoic wisdom. Seneca, another beacon of Stoic wisdom, leaves us with these thoughts. "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality," he once wrote, reminding us to keep our focus on the present, on the tangible and real, not the hypothetical or imagined. He also urged us to remember this: it is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. A profound reminder of the futility of greed and the pursuit of material wealth. And finally, Seneca imparts this timeless wisdom: he who is brave is free. Courage, then, is not just a virtue, but a pathway to freedom, to liberation from fear and hesitation. With these words resonating within us, we draw our journey to a close. We've traversed the landscape of Stoicism, peered into the forbidden territories, and absorbed timeless wisdom. Our journey has taken us through the heart of this ancient philosophy, unveiling the power of silence and contemplation. Remember the 10 topics we've decided to avoid: politics, religion, the wealth of others, gossip, celebrities' lives, social media controversies, material possessions as status symbols, past regrets, future worries, and criticism of others' choices. Each of these territories hold potential disturbances to our inner peace, distractions from our path to self-improvement. By choosing to steer clear of these discussions, we are not ignoring the world around us. Instead, we are focusing on what truly matters, what we can control, our actions, our responses, our virtues. This is the essence of Stoicism. We've also embraced the words of the great Stoic philosophers. Marcus Aurelius reminded us that have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Seneca taught us that it is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. These messages underline the Stoic virtues of wisdom, temperance, justice, and courage. Embrace the path of Stoicism in your daily life. Practice these virtues. Seek wisdom in every situation. Strive for temperance in your desires. Uphold justice not just in your actions but also in your thoughts. Display courage when faced with adversity. This is not a journey that is completed in a day, a month, or even a year. It's a lifelong commitment to personal growth and inner tranquility. It's about finding serenity, the chaos, strength in adversity, and contentment in simplicity. Remember, Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions, but about understanding, managing, and using them wisely. It's about leading a life of virtue, regardless of external circumstances. Embrace the path of Stoicism in your daily life. Seek wisdom, practice temperance, uphold justice, and display courage. For a more focused, serene existence is within your grasp. If you found value in this journey through Stoicism and wish to further explore this ancient philosophy, hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. This way you won't miss our future discussions and insightful videos on Stoicism. Until we meet again, journey well.